Scene script. Ever pondered about the golden elixir that is honey and how it may contribute to your health? Well, think no more. This natural sweetener, adored by many, is not just a delight to the taste buds but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Honey, a gift from the diligent bees, has been a part of human diet and medicine for centuries. It's a treasure trove of nutrients, antioxidants, and healing compounds. First off, honey is a natural energy booster. It's a carbohydrate-rich food filled with natural sugars that can provide a quick energy pick-me-up. Next time you feel an afternoon slump, think honey, not caffeine. Secondly, honey is a godsend for those with a troubled sleep. It can help you fall asleep faster. The natural sugars in honey elevate insulin levels, which in turn release serotonin, a neurotransmitter that improves mood and happiness. The body converts serotonin into melatonin, a chemical compound that regulates the length and quality of sleep. Thirdly, honey is renowned for its natural healing properties. It's been used to treat wounds and burns since ancient Egyptian times. Honey's antibacterial properties can help keep wounds clean and free from infection. Moreover, honey is a natural cough suppressant. A spoonful of honey can soothe an irritated throat, making it an ideal natural remedy for common cold and cough. Lastly, honey is a potent source of antioxidants. These compounds help protect the body against damage from free radicals, which can lead to diseases like cancer and heart disease. In addition, the phytonutrients in honey have anti-inflammatory benefits, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, in a nutshell, honey is a natural energy booster, a sleep aid, a healer, a cough suppressant, and a source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Isn't it amazing how this simple, sweet product of nature can offer such a plethora of health benefits? The next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember it's not just a sweet treat, it's a sweet treat that's packed with goodness for your health. So go on, enjoy your honey, knowing it's doing wonders for your health. This golden delight truly is a testament to the saying, good things come in small packages.